Hello, my name is Jose Rayeros. I'm a 17-year-old Mexican citizen. I'm currently taking a gap year before college. The reason for this is to look into the opportunities that I have and the experiences that will channel me to the professional interest that I have. I'm currently involving in one, politics, through an organization called Oracle that is working for the information spreading on the country in these elections happening in 2018. And as well with Techo, an organization that is international in all Latin America. It works for the development of people without resources through the by providing them the opportunities, houses, and resources they don't have. So, taking apart from this, the opportunity that I see in the Youth Assembly is discussing the number 17th goal. I think that the partnership for the goals is really important for the whole platform. It's the one that includes all the goals, in fact. So at the end of the day, I think that we have to be more specific in the role that the government's going to have, the private sector, and the civil society that will be my main interest in it. What I see is that all of these actors have to work upon the creation of some principle, values, and obviously the goals that already exist. Thing is that they think that principle and values will change accordingly to each culture around the world. I know that the governments and the private sector will have as a responsibility to manage the economic stability, the sustainable energy development, maybe technologies, or information protection as well. Thing is, I see that the civil society, at least in Mexico, is not really integrated within the opportunities and the programs taken by the government and the private sector. So what I think we can do is, with the discussion followed by the youths, by the expertise in this assembly, we can follow a platform maybe where we can create some kind of steps or process that can function in all the nations and can be impulsed by the UN, so we can have a better understanding of how a civil society will be able to integrate into this platform of development and this progress that we will be taking for the better and the development of the SDGs before 2030. I want to thank you for this opportunity, and I hope we can see each other in the Youth Assembly next. Thank you.